Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got something really exciting to share with you guys. So this literally just came in. Like I was coming back to the house and the UPS guy pulled up and he said, "Hey, I've got something for you." I wasn't gonna record another video by the time you guys are seeing it's way in the future, but I wasn't gonna record another video today. But I realized what this was, and I thought, no, I'm gonna record another one. I gotta find out what this is. Thanks so much to Brian Nadeau for sending this in. He had messaged me and said, "Hey, I have something for you." And that was pretty much it. So I'm honestly like super excited to get into this. Thanks to Brian Nadeau for sending this in. Please follow Sharp by Design on Instagram. And if you spent any time on my channel, you know that I'm a big fan of Sharp by Design knives. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. I cannot wait to find out what the heck is in this box. All right, we got some tape here. There we go. Okay, here we go. It could be anything, man. Is it? Okay, it slides out like this. What do we have? Whoa. That is not what I was expecting at all. Oh my gosh. No way. Are you kidding me? Dude. Oh, no way. I'm going to die. I'm going to die. Oh my God. No way. I am beside myself right now. It's not at all what I was expecting. Oh man. I thought, oh man, my knees are buckling right now, dude. I thought that maybe there was like, he had a new production model he wanted me to check out or something. Oh, this is way too nice. This is way too nice. Oh man, I'm so pumped right now. That is so beautiful. Look at that to match my full size. So this is the Mini Evo, or I think it's the Mini Evo Typhoon, but we look at those beautiful inlays. Oh my God. That is so absolutely gorgeous. I'm trying to keep my fingerprints off of it. Look at that blade. I'm dying right now. I'm absolutely dying. I'm passing away. This is so unbelievably beautiful. I don't have this exact model in my collection, and I thought that these were gone. I thought that there was no hope of me ever picking one of these up. Oh my gosh, I gotta get out my other models here. Hold on. Gotta get out my other Sharp by Design stuff. I should have had this ready. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to spend the rest of the day and likely the rest of the coming weeks just sitting and flipping and enjoying that thing. God, what an absolute beauty. All right. So let me get all these out. And I've shown them a million times, right? But if you've ever wondered about this, the difference between the full-size Evo Typhoon and then the smaller one, there you go. And we have the Tempest. And then, of course, this is the custom, the Arch Nemesis. So, yeah. Huge fan of Sharp by Design knives. I've said this many times. I think that Brian Nadeau has easily created some of the best EDC designs out there, and they also, coupled with the fact that they are very utilitarian, are also super stylish and deliver unique elements to this world, which is something that is increasingly rare. Little teeny tiny details that enthusiasts pick up on. Man, this is like sensory overload the first time somebody handles a Sharp by Design knife. And I've told people, I said, hey, roll the dice and find out what I'm talking about. And every single time, it's always a joy to read your guys' comments, your feedback after you say, I picked up my first Sharp by Design and you weren't kidding. I know. I know, they're that good. But yeah, I'm a huge fan and plan to continue to collect and acquire these things. But so look at the difference in the Damasteel pattern here. So this one on the right here was from a while back. This is from a few years ago. Look how beautiful this pattern is. Oh my gosh. And the polish, I think the polish on it is a bit higher too. This one also has the fuller cut out, or a little chunk of the fuller cut out there. Oh my gosh. Look how chunky the Timascuses here. I'm going to shine this up. The heavy purple and blue areas. I am such a sucker for these types of inlays. Is this Mochatai? I can't tell. Sometimes the heavier blue, some type of obviously titanium Damascus, but just absolutely stunning, just beyond stunning. I've handled the smaller one before, but I never realized, I mean, how perfect. I can still get a full grip on this guy. So it is really, and that's, it's even more amazing because they've managed with this model, not just this model, but all of the models that come from Brian Nadeau. The cool thing is the blade to handle ratio. The amount of blade that you're getting for the amount of knife that you're carrying, it's a very near 1-to-1. And that's amazing, right? So you would think that, with all that blade that your handle would be scaled down quite a bit. I mean, I don't know if what I'm saying is making any sense, but you would think that it wouldn't measure out to be, somebody like me being able to get a full grip on it. So this guy, this is actually now, I think actually the smallest of the bunch here. Let me measure this. So the overall length of this guy comes in at 7. It's still 7.5 inches. That makes sense. I'm just thrown off by how much blade there is, which comes in, you got to be kidding me. This thing comes in at 3.4 inches of blade. And then we have about 3 1/8 for cutting edge because of this area right here. That is crazy, right? And the full size one is 8 1/4, and the blade length on it is literally 3.85, 3.8 at least. These are incredible. I mean, we might as well measure this guy down here, right? Coming in at 7.75, blade length 3.5, easy 3.5. Boy, that is just, that's one of the most beautiful things I've seen in a while. There's something about a Sharp by Design. I always forget that I have I have another Evo Typhoon as well, the one that I carry and use, and it's buried over in the case over here on the left. It's a thing to behold every time I get my hands on a brand new one. And then, the other cool thing is that all of them, they're so consistently made. The break of that detent, this is the lipped detent system. You can actually see it in there. It's not a detent ball. It's a lip of titanium. And so you have a very distinct and very unique breakaway whenever you flip these things. I mean, that, of course, coupled with the fact that it's the right, the right resistance and the weight and mass of the blade, coupled with the shape of the flipper tab, which I really like, is all done very, very well. So you get a very, very crisp and very distinct action. Man, look at that, especially in the fuller area. That is just freaking unreal, man. Thank you so much. If I haven't said it yet, I think I've actually gone this whole video without saying thank you. Thank you so much, Brian Nadeau. I truly was not expecting. I mean, anything, I would have been happy with anything. But sincerely, thank you for this. That was really cool. I will cherish this forever. I love being surprised. This is my favorite thing in the whole world. I was genuinely surprised, man. I just made my day. Okay, all right, I gotta end this. Thanks so much. Please make sure to follow Brian Nadeau. Follow Sharp by Design on Instagram. Please do that. I mean, go look at the knives. Holy crap, right? But he does customs and he does production models, and the production models that you can actually get your hands on. I mean, you can get your hands on the custom. You just got to pay a lot and be in the right place, right time. But the production models that are easier to get your hands on are super cool. Some of the nicest stuff in the industry by a landslide. Super recommendable. You can check out everything that he has done in the past, to my knowledge, on my channel as far as production models. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody. I'm losing it. And have a great day.